Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. So today I'm super excited to bring you guys this tutorial. This is using the Urban Decay Beached palette, and some of you guys requested that I did a blue look using that palette, so this is the look that I created for you guys today. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair, and I'm just applying that evenly over my eyes and then buffing it out with a damp beauty sponge and setting it with some translucent powder. And then I'm going into my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 on my brow bone. And then I'm using the Urban Decay Beached Eyeshadow palette. So this is what the palette looks like. I do already have a tutorial on my channel using this palette, but I thought that I would create one more for you guys using this palette. But these are all very versatile shades and you can create several different types of looks. I really love all of the shades in this palette. You have a transition shade and you have a few shimmery shades, so you can do a daytime look or a nighttime look, and I just think that it's overall a really good palette. So the first shade that I'm going into is the transition shade in the palette. This is one of the only matte shades in the palette. And I'm just buffing that into my crease. And at first I pick up very small amount of product just to get a small wash of that shade on my crease. And I'm just applying this messily into my crease with this fluffy brush. And then I go in with an angled brush and the same eyeshadow. Kind of pack on the eyeshadow a little bit more heavier on the brush, and I'm just starting to carve my crease, and I'm just kind of hugging the outer corner of my lid, and I do go above my natural crease line because I want the shadow that we apply on our lid to show when my eyes are open. And then I just went back into that fluffy brush and a little bit more of that orange shade to buff out that line. And then I picked up this Bobbi Brown concealer blending brush and my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair to carve my lid. And a good tip for this is to start in the center and then work your way to the inner and outer corner. That way you get a nice even line across your lid, and that'll help you to apply it evenly. And then I'm going into the lightest shimmery blue shade, and I did wet my brush a little bit with some Fix Plus, and I'm just applying this evenly all over my lid. And then I'm going to be going into the darker brown, or not darker brown, darker blue metallic shade in the palette, and I'm going to be applying that onto the lower half of my lid. So I'm just applying that closer to my lash line, and I just wanted to add a little bit of a gradient effect. Next thing I did was I applied some NYX glitter glue on the center of my eyelid, and then I picked up my blue glitter by Galactic called Blue Sparkles, and I just applied that just to the center of my eyelid. And then I really closely lined my top lash line with the Balm Cosmetics Swing liner, and then I applied my Shop Sofie Belle lashes in the style Jamaica. The link to purchase those lashes will always be in the description box down below. And then I just applied the transition shade on my lower lash line, and then I applied my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then I'm just applying more of that Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 on my inner tear duct and on my brow bone. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's tutorial. This look is super simple. It has a very simple lower lash line. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are going to be starting back with our daily uploads, so if you don't want to miss out on our daily uploads, then you can also click on the bell to get post notifications every single time our videos go live. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!